Neat Download Manager uses segmented downloading and bandwidth optimization to make the most of available network speed. Users can pause, resume, or restart downloads at any time without losing progress, minimizing interruptions during unstable sessions. Integration with popular browsers such as Chrome, Edge, and Firefox lets users capture download links or media files directly through a small extension. The app also supports HLS TS stream downloading, allowing users to merge video segments into a single file for easier playback. Neat Download Manager, developed by Javad Motalabi, is a lightweight freeware tool that improves how users manage and accelerate file downloads. Designed for Windows and Mac OS, it enhances efficiency by splitting files into multiple segments and downloading them simultaneously. This multi-threaded approach helps stabilize and speed up transfers, especially for users with inconsistent internet connections. Its minimalist interface makes it approachable even for those new to download managers.